Welcome back to my channel, and join us on a journey into the heart of the Tonga Tribe in South Africa, a community with a deep-rooted heritage, nestled along the fertile banks of the Limpopo River and the subtropical climate of northern KwaZulu-Natal. The Tonga people have a unique culture that blends tradition, resilience, and a profound connection to the land and water that sustain them. The Tonga people, also known as the Tsonga, have a rich history that spans across southern Africa. While primarily associated with Mozambique, a significant population of the Tonga tribe also resides in South Africa, particularly in KwaZulu-Natal and along the Limpopo River Basin. Known for their hospitality and strong sense of community, the Tonga people have preserved their traditions and customs through centuries of change and adaptation. The Tonga tribe's journey into South Africa is a story of migration and adaptation. Originally from the coastal regions of Mozambique, the Tonga moved inland to escape colonial pressures and seek fertile land for farming. This migration brought them into the lush regions of northern KwaZulu-Natal and the Limpopo Basin, where they established vibrant communities. Here, they adapted to new environments while maintaining their cultural heritage. The Tonga people speak Xitsonga, a language that is not just a means of communication, but a vessel for their cultural identity. Oral traditions play a crucial role in preserving Tonga culture, with stories, proverbs, and songs passed down through generations. These tales are not only a form of entertainment, but also a way to teach moral lessons, instill cultural values, and preserve the history of the tribe. Traditional attire is a vibrant expression of Tonga identity. Women often wear zibalani, a wraparound skirt made of thick, colorful fabric, which is worn during dances and ceremonies. Men's attire is typically simple, reflecting their role as farmers and fishermen. The Tonga are also skilled artisans, known for their intricate beadwork, basket weaving, and pottery, which are both functional and symbolic of their cultural heritage. Agriculture and fishing are the backbone of the Tonga economy and way of life. The fertile lands of the Limpopo Basin and the abundance of fish in its waters provide the Tonga people with a sustainable source of food and income. Crops like maize, millet, and sorghum are staples, while fishing remains a crucial activity, connecting the Tonga to the river that has sustained them for generations. Spirituality is deeply woven into the fabric of Tonga life. The Tonga people practice a form of spirituality that is closely connected to nature and the ancestral spirits. Water is particularly sacred, with many rituals and ceremonies centered around the Limpopo River, which they believe is inhabited by powerful spirits. Ancestor worship is also a vital part of Tonga culture, with rituals and offerings made to honor and seek guidance from those who have passed on. Music and dance are at the heart of Tonga culture. Festivals and ceremonies are marked by vibrant dances and songs that bring the community together. The Tonga people use traditional instruments like drums and marimbas to create rhythms that resonate with their history and spirit. Dance is a powerful expression of joy, celebration, and even storytelling, with each movement carrying deep cultural significance. While the Tonga people have a rich cultural heritage, they face modern challenges, including economic pressures and the impacts of globalization. Despite these challenges, the Tonga have shown remarkable resilience. Community efforts to preserve their language, traditions, and cultural practices are a testament to their determination to maintain their unique identity in a rapidly changing world. The journey of the Tonga tribe in South Africa is one of resilience, adaptation, and a deep connection to the land and their ancestors. As we have seen, their culture is a vibrant tapestry of traditions that continues to thrive despite the challenges of the modern world. By exploring their way of life, we gain a deeper appreciation of the diversity and strength of human cultures. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of the Tonga tribe.